Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing with slime. First we got this white rainbow one. It's really good. Then we have this sprinkle one. Then we have this gold one. It's really shiny and it's pretty. This one's a crunchy slime. It's really pretty. Then we have the purple glitter one. This one's my favorite slime to smell. Smells so good. This one smells like chocolate and it's clay. This one's not my favorite. It smells really bad and it's kind of hard. This one's nice and it's clay. We have this red one and it smells like cherries. There's the same one as this one and this smells like oranges. My favorite is this pink one because it's my favorite color and it's really nice. Bye!